Okay, so hello friends, let's start with our fourth C++ program, that is we are going to find the quotient and remainder. Okay, now how can we find the quotient and remainder? Now as we know that if we'll divide 4 by 2, that is 4 divisible 4 by 2, then we know that 2 2s are 4. Okay, so the answer will be 4. So this 2 is our quotient. Okay, so this 2 is our quotient. Now how to find the remainder? Now to find the remainder we'll use 4 mod 2. So what this mod operator does is it will give us the value of the remainder. Okay, now what we will have in the remainder is 0, since 4 is completely divisible by 2, so we will have remainder 0. Okay, then we have so this is what we are going to use for division and remainder. Okay, now what the basic requirement of this program is, we'll ask the user to enter a number, then we will store it, then we'll ask then we'll find out the quotient and remainder, and then we'll display it. Okay, so we'll display the values of quotient and remainder. Okay, now firstly our program will start from main. Okay, so this, since the prototype of it is main int, so it will return an integer. So in the body of main we have a, b, quotient and remainder. Okay, now here also we have to include quotient is equal to 0 and remainder is also equal to 0. Okay, quotient is equal to 0. Okay, so that it will not give any errors, means we will not get any garbage value. Okay, so that's why we've used quotient and remainder. Now a, b, quotient and remainder has been declared as integers, and quotient and remainder has been assigned the value 0. Okay, then our next line is cout. So this means that enter the values for a and b will be printed. Okay, enter the values for a and b. Okay, so this will be printed on the screen. Okay, then we have seen a and b. Let's say the user enters, let's take a simple example such as 6 and let's say 2. Okay, so this is what we are going to enter. Okay, so a's value is 6 and b's value is 2. Okay, so then for quotient we have a divided by 2. So a, what is the value of a? A's value is 6 and divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this will be our quotient. So quotient will have the value 3, and for the remainder we'll have 6 mod 2. Since 6 is completely divisible by 2, so it will have 0 as remainder. So our remainder will be 0. Okay, then the next line is cout. So whatever will be whatever it is present in double quotation mark will be printed, such as quotient, then quotient is equal to, then the value of quotient, since quotient's value is 3, so 3 will be printed, and remainder is equal to, what is the value of remainder? Remainder's value is 0. Okay, so this will be the output. So this is the way. Then we must return a 0. Okay, so since I've forgotten it, so please you don't forget it, return 0, otherwise it will give an error, since we have not written anything. So an integer will require something to be returned as integer. Okay, so return 0 must be included. Okay, so this is it. We'll now I'm going to cover more problems also. So if you like it, then which examples must I solve.